Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to get rid of unnecessary file from your recycle bin, consider how to stay tuned to this video and see how to permanently clear off unnecessary file from your Windows PC recycle bin to free up more storage space on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is from the home tab right here, you want to make sure you look for your recycle bin icon on the home screen right here. So click on it and then press enter. All the file you have in your recycle bin is going to be shown right here, just like what you see right here. Some of these files here are the file you deleted mistakenly, unknowingly, or intentionally deleted from your Windows PC. But once you delete them, they come back to recycle bin right here, still occupy a lot of small storage space on your Windows PC. As a result of this, it is advisable that you always check your recycle bin and empty this part right here if you know that you are no longer interested in those files, so you can have enough storage space on your Windows PC. So for that, before you can delete permanently, just press Ctrl A. This allows to select all the file right here. Okay, once you select all the file, go ahead and click on this trash bin icon right here. Okay, and this is going to pump up right here, just like what you see right here. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 21 items? This depends on the number of files you have in your recycle bin. So in this tutorial, I have about 21 items right here, which I'm going to completely delete all. And in a few seconds, you have everything being empty. You can see this folder here is empty. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.